Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this channel is Iconic Surbhi and I'm your Surbhi. So in today's video, I'm again here with new parcels of Smitten and I have two boxes over here. I will review all the products in this video that I've ordered for myself, and the one box is for someone else because it's not mine. The products just belongs to someone else. So yeah, I will show you all the stuff which I've ordered, and if you are interested to watch this video, then please watch till the end and don't forget to like, share and comment, and as well as you can consider subscribing. So yeah, let's begin. So let's see what I have ordered in this box. This is not for mine, as I told you before. So first of all, I have ordered this Mila Beauty, the Flawless Makeup Primer, and it is oil-free primer. It smooths your skin and blur your pores and even skin perfector. And it has vitamin A, E, and net quantity you will get just 30 ml, and it costs you rupees 275, and it will expire in 2027 of September. So yeah, that's a very good shelf life it's having for the 3 years. And let's talk about the inner packaging as well. So this is the inner packaging. It comes like in this kind of a packaging for the outer and the inner side. So this is the Flawless Makeup Primer. Like, look at that. It's kind of this. And let's do a swatch on our hands. So I'm taking just a pea size of amount to check the consistency and the formulation. So it's a kind of a blurry, perfect primer. So when I applied this primer on my hand, it just feels like non-sticky, and as well as it's like feels like a very smooth texture and very flawless. As you can see, like you can't see in the camera, but I can see the difference on my hand. I can feel it, and it just feels like a very smooth primer, which makes your base super smooth. And the smells is just like a mild type of, इसमें इतनी भी ज़्यादा harsh fragrance नहीं है. The fragrance is very gentle and mild, so you can definitely go for this product. I genuinely love this product. I haven't thought about that it will come in a very good quality. Like, even I haven't tried any kind of a product from the Mila Beauty range, but now definitely I can say that's a very good and perfect primer that you can go for. Yeah, it smells like a very nice fragrance. So yeah, definitely you can go for this, and I have tried this in just 4 or 5 trial points, you can say. The next product is this, that is the Mubata, the Art of Skincare Diabetes Dry Skin Relief Hydrating Cleanser, which has hyaluronic acid, which makes your skin super moisturized in this winters. And it has pro vitamin B5 enriched formula, moisturize your skin and soften your skin dry skin after just one use. So after just one use, you will feel that your skin becomes dry. Sorry, your skin becomes moisturized, and your skin feels very good as though after using this face wash. So it comes in 125 ml of quantity, and it just costs you rupees 399 400. So definitely, if you're having the kind of a very dry skin, or you're facing some kind of a problem as like that, so you can go for this kind of a skin cleanser, and you have to use these kind of skin cleanser as well because it's a very high winter time. Now again, the another moisturizer that I'm having for the dry skin pupils, and this is the Dermaco Ceramide Plus Hyaluronic Acid Intense Daily Face Moisturizer. For the dry skin, it has ceramides and the hyaluronic acid. You can use it in the day or night as well, as per your skincare routine. So it comes with hyaluronic acid and the ceramide. Ceramide generally makes your skin very moisturized, and as well as just protect your skin barrier. And hyaluronic acid makes your skin very moisturized at the same time. So you can definitely go for this one also. And the last product that I have this Let's Shave Daily Face Wash, and I tried this face wash in just a one trial point. It cleans, refresh. It has activated organic bamboo charcoal powder and ashwagandha extract and witch hazel water. It comes in a 30 ml of quantity. So मैंने अभी तक इसको use नहीं किया है. After using this, I will give a very genuine review in my upcoming videos. I am having another box which is remain to show you. And let's talk about some products that I have ordered for myself. And these are just 3 products that I've received. So first of all, this is the Recode Stroke Cream. I just wanted to try this cream from a very long time when I saw this cream on the Smitten. And this is the Recode Stroke Cream with shea butter and the hyaluronic acid. And net quantity is just for 25 ml for 599 rupees. And it will expire in 2026 of the ninth month. So it looks like that from the outer side. It's a very basic and very metallic kind of a packaging. Like dual packaging, you can say. And it just looks like from the inner side as well. So this is a very good stove cream. Like let me show you the swatch of this. Okay, so this is the swatch of this stove cream. It's very gentle, and look at that. So now you can't see the shine, but I can see this. It gives you very like a soft shine on your face and smells like heaven. मतलब मुझे तो ऐसी kind of smells बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Definitely you can go for this stove cream. It just became my favorite when I got this stove cream. I have applied on my hand, and it just got my heart. So yeah, definitely you can go for this. I have tried this in just 4 trial points, and if it is available on the Smitten now, you can go for it. All the links you will get in my description box as well. Now second product that I've tried in just 6 trial points, that is Mars Seal the Deal Concealer. मैं इसको भी बहुत टाइम से ट्राई करना चाहती थी, and it comes in very different shades, but I have picked for myself is 08 medium beige. So let me swatch this one as well. It comes in just this packaging, or in just this much amount. Net weight is 10 gram, and it cost you rupees 229, and it will expire in 2027 of the 5th month. So let's just swatch this product as well on my hand. So yeah, this is the swatch 08 medium beige. I picked up this shade for myself just because I am having not a very fair skin tone, but yeah, it's kind of a fair side. Sometimes it looks very fair, and sometimes it looks like a yellow Indian medium skin tone. So yeah, that's for this I have picked up, and this is a kind of a yellow skin tone shade. I don't know it will suit me or not, but yeah, when I will try, I will definitely show you in some another video. So yeah, you can go for this Mars Seal the Deal Concealer. You can pick any of the shades. Like different shades are available on the Smitten right now, so you can check the shade as per your skin tone. And the last thing that I've tried from their range, like from their products range, that is Let's Shave Aviar Body Lotion. So now this is the winter's times going on, and the body lotion is very needed for this winters. So yeah, this is the Deep Hydration Jojoba Oil Shea Butter Aloe Vera Leaf Juice and Green Tree Extract Body Lotion for fully body. It has no parabens, no sulfate, and the artificial color, and it's very lightweight and non-sticky. I have applied it once on my body, and I really like this body lotion. So definitely you can go for this one. It comes in 100 ml of quantity and available for the 5 trial points. So let me show you the swatch of this one as well. That's kind of a consistency this body lotion has. It's a very lightweight and non-sticky. So definitely you can go for this one as well. So yeah, that's all about for this video. And if you like this video, then don't forget to just show your love by liking this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like, share and comment as well. So yeah, we will meet you in my next one. Until then, be kind to yourself and to others also.